I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Drunk all oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Thursday. It's almost Friday. Woohoo! Just want to do a quick build overview with you. We're going to do a quick pop test in the driveway. And I just remembered, I did not level the accelerometer. And I usually do my pop test in angle mode, so should be interesting. And it's really windy and there's a storm brewing, so it'll be fun. So welcome to Satan's Sled. That's what I'm calling this. This is the Moka GryffLite, okay? So this is the Moka Griff Dome, which I love that frame. Tough as nails. And this is the GryffLite. You guys saw me do a review on this not too long ago. Did a hydro dip job on the top plate, and we used a 35 amp BL Heli S, ESC, a Helio spring, flight controller, and what the hell's the name of this thing again? An atlatl, whatever, one of those fucking things, but it's got the smart audio in it and everything, so we hooked that up. Wired the motor wires underneath the ESC like that, did my little rear, hidden wire braid trick there. But the sweet spot to this bird, and we're using a Fox Ear micro arrow, are these motors. These are the Brother Hobby Engineer X 2307 2700 kV. Bam! These are going to be smoking. They are funky looking. And at first I was like, they look like little globes. At first I was like, okay. But they kind of grew on me. I actually think they're kind of cool. So, I suppose it's a little bit more aerodynamic. Oh, my dickhead neighbor just got home. I'll have to fly over his house. And a far view, of course. Bam. It's actually seen better days. I'm out of antennas. Sadness. What we're going to test this on, though, since this is 2700, these are 2700 kV motors, we're going to test these with the GemFan 5050C 2-blade. I'm sorry, those are Cyclones. My bad. Cyclone 5050Cs. I bought a bunch of these because, if you guys remember this, my campfire quad build, one of the last ones I did, has those Wild Willies on it, and I wanted to run 2-blade props on that. This one, and I have another bird that I'm going to run 2-bladed props on. So, yeah, it's going to be super, super cool. So, I think that's really all there is to this. Yeah, I think so. So, left the TPU alone. Those are printed in black. But yeah, beautiful frame. Love it. 5mm thick arms. Tough as frickin' nails. 3mm thick top plate, 3mm thick bottom, I think. Yeah. So yeah, let's take it out and do a pop test with JJ's cheap ass hat cam, and we'll see what this baby can do. Bam! Hang on. All right, so here we are. It is windy, very windy, and you can see the storm brewing over there. And over there it looks okay. So we're going to go over here and fly a little bit, because 3 feet's going to make a difference. And I've been drinking scotch. So if I lose this bird, it's my buddy Mark in Scotland's fault, because he sent me 2 bottles of single malt scotch, and I've been hitting that shit today. So we're going to see what happens. So let's turn on our zapper. Okay. And we're going to do a pop test in angle mode and see what this guy can do. We're using a, what is this guy, ADC 1300 indestructible quads battery. Here's my old car. If anybody wants a Mazda 4-door Mazda 6 stick shift that's in good shape, let me know. Okay, so it's been sitting there forever. I need to sell that son of a bitch. Anyhow, here we go. We're going to pop this in. 2-bladed props. 2700 kV motors. With a lot of wind, and I forgot to level it. Ooh, nice. Wow, I like it. Woo, she quit. Look at that. Wow, I did not expect that with 2-bladed props. I haven't flown 2-bladed props on a quad in a few years, because that's what we used to run. You guys remember those, oh, what the hell were those batteries, or those props? Little black and orange things. Wow, she is quick. I'd love to see what this will do on 3-blade, but I'm really going for speed with this one. Which, it is windy and I'm in the subdivision, so I'm not going to go too crazy with it. Nice. Alright kids, there it is. Very mean. I like it. Alright, keep your shiny side up kids. Talk soon.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.